and subscribe. Maybe donate to the Ramen Writer. Link in description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodle. Today we got one that I found at S-Mart. That's right, shop smart, shop S-Mart. This is made by Samyang Foods in South Korea. It's called Picantia, and this is their jalapeno chicken flavor bowl. So we're going to cook that up. Definitely got a time crunch today. I think it'll go swimmingly. Yeah. I smell jalapeno. I do. Okay, now I gotta see. Do I put this flavor seasoning deal in first? Micronitas. 4.5 minutes. Add in soup powder, water to line. Okay. It's definitely got that kind of fake-ish jalapeno reek to it. I don't know if you're... Whoa. It smells like jalapeno Cheetos. And I think it looks green. I could be wrong about that. I don't know. Does that look green? Green powder. A lot of powder. So here is our agua. See? It's agua. That means water in Spanish. So, never said that I can speak Spanish. Oh, Spanish. I'm sorry. All right. So 4.5 minutes at 1,000 watts, and I'll tell you about my day. Do your thing. So it's Tuesday, and there's a big deal coming up. We're going to be looking at some power outages tonight. They're calling it a bomb cyclone, and it's basically when a low pressure goes down more than 20 points in 24 hours. I'm really not a meteorologist. I defer to the expert in the area, a guy named Cliff Mask. He's got a weather bug. He's like, this may be the record lowest low pressure system to come in, possibly around here tonight, right around 7 o'clock. We might be getting 65 mile an hour gusts. They're saying basically it's like a category 1 hurricane that's coming in. So that's going to be interesting. I'm excited. I am hoping the power goes out for a prolonged period. Why? Well, because if it does, then I can bring out my shortwave radio. I can. And that's fun. I do enjoy that. So we'll see. It may happen, it may not. We used to have a lot of power outages around here, but lately it hasn't been so bad. But we've been getting tons of rain. I think we got like in the last week we got like around almost 10 inches. And so the water's soaked. The trees are heavy with the water still on them. A lot of leaves are down, but there's still a lot of trees that are pretty well laden with the leaves. So yeah, I have a feeling it's going to be Armageddon. People are going to lose their minds. I bet you Costco is shoulder to shoulder right now. When people are going in there and buying like 20 enormous bags of Doritos, it's like the carts are full. They're hunkering down. They don't even go outside anyways. The power's gonna go out, and the power's gonna go out. We don't know what we're gonna do. I don't know. Maybe talk. I like power outages. I don't know why, but my daughter and son are kind of like afraid when the power goes out. It's just like, it's okay. We're gonna live. Besides, you don't really use the power when you're asleep. So I don't know. They're funny like that. They're funny. It's a funny thing. Like Picantia. South Korean Hispanic-inspired noodles. So it's what? February for you? How are things? Are all the wars in the world over? Amicably? Kindly? Nicely? No? Maybe? Are there wars between states? I hope not. I don't know. All I know is this: it's crazy business. A lot of crazy business, which is fine. Keeps it interesting for us news junkies. But yeah. Anyways, yeah, went out, walked around, got back in time. The kids get off the bus in an hour, which is pretty good. This is almost done. I've got one more. My next one that I'm doing is another variety from South Korea, a different brand, and it actually doesn't contain noodles. It doesn't. But that's okay. You would find it near the noodles. You probably can guess what it's going to be, but that's okay. I'll leave you in suspense for now. Are you done? There you go. Jeez, I was like, really? Is there 4.5 minutes to take that long? All right, wow. And ladies and gentlemen, that's freaking hot. Okay, so let's give it a try. There's our picantique, or whatever we call it. Picantia. Come on, Picantia. Get away from those turtles, Picantia. Oh, mother. Oh, Picantia, you gotta stay away from the turtles. They got salmonella. You're gonna get it all over you. Don't put your mouth on it, Picantia. I don't know. Picantia seems like it would be a squat, stumpy, angry little girl that would not listen. Very piquant, like tart. I guess that'd be a Q. I don't know. But I think the Picantia is kind of more like picante. I don't know. We'll see. Noodle. Cheers. Uh-oh. All right, the noodle could have done a little better. It's mostly done. Not 100% done. Now, let's get to this broth because this is supposed to be jalapeno chicken. I'm not getting that. Not even close. I'm getting more of like I'm getting way too much tomato for that. So here's what my executive opinion on this noodle. It's good. It's tasty. Is it hot? Not so much. And I believe the label said this is their mild of the varieties of this range. So I will give it another try after this pour. Yeah, I'm just not getting what they're selling. I'm sorry, but it just doesn't go in that direction for me. A little bit of spring onion. And it might seem weird, and I don't care. But I'm using an egg. I got 2 eggs left, and I gotta use them, so that's what I'm doing. So it is chicken, but they're marinated eggs. Oh wow. And they're not very deep in shade. 1, 2. Yeah. I need that. Okay. So what else can we put on here? We could put on some seed. Don't really need to put a lot on it. I wish I had something more fitting. I don't have any of the sprinkly cheese, because that seems logical for this one. But okay. Let's allow it to spinny McSpin spin. Alright. Okay, so we got that. I'm gonna need a pan. Alright, the next one we got was sent to me by a guy named James from Lakeside, California. Thanks, man. This is a food. Garlic tteokbokki. And you just put this in a saucepan, or just a pan, with the rice cake, 50 mils of water, and the sauce. And you just kind of let it simmer until you've got tteokbokki. So that'll be on the next episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the kind of thing you'll find in the ramen aisle. So have a good one. Bye-bye.